Yung message lang namin doon sa NBI as well as CIDG, we already intimated to them that as much as possible, they would coordinate with the lawyers of the victims, and that means us. And we would like to inform you that we will be writing a formal letter to the Department of Justice requesting for the issuance of an ILBO, no? Wala pong personalan ito against Coach Tab Baldwin, no? So that in the meantime that there is an investigation para naman po hindi siya makauwi kung saan mag-uwi, dito muna siya sa Pilipinas. Wala po kaming sinasabi na meron siyang liability po dito. Para lamang po magtuloy-tuloy po yung investigasyon, magre-request kami sa Department of Justice na may immigration lookout bulletin order muna sa kanya. Yun po ang ipapadala namin yan ngayong gabi or tomorrow morning, and I hope and pray that the DOJ will act on it, no, through the Bureau of Immigration.
Sir, what were gathered by the CIDG and NBI lang today? What happened po, sir?
Yung mga details nun, wala pa kaming alam, no? We are also conducting our own independent investigation on the matter which we cannot disclose, but of course we welcome the investigation being conducted by the NBI as well as the CIDG on the matter. Yung request lang namin na sana makipag-coordinate din sa amin kasi mahirap na mag-file ng kaso yung NBI, mag-file din ng move yung what you call this CIDG. It will somehow affect our case also. Okay?
Sir, yung ILBO for Coach Tab only?
In the meantime, kasi yun lang ang alam namin na siya lang ang foreigner eh. Kung meron pang ibang mga what you call this information na ma-receive namin, we might move for issuance of ILBO also.
When are we expecting this letter to be sent to the DOJ, sir?
Well, we are actually granting this interview so that makarating na sa kanila. The DOJ can act motu proprio on it, no, based on our request. But we will be sending a letter either tonight or at most tomorrow morning.
How about a letter to the UAAP or to the Ateneo to maybe suspend Coach Tab as investigations are ongoing?
In the meantime, doon muna kami sa ILBO.
Okay.
Okay?